Hi guys, welcome to Cellcut. The purpose of this channel is to master coding by solving problems, because I believe that the more you solve problems, the more you get comfortable with programming languages, and the more you master coding. Before jumping to the assignment, let's give you a small intro about myself. I am a software engineer with many years of experience. So if you like the idea, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Okay, let's jump to the assignment. I have already pushed the project to GitHub. You will find the link in the description. Okay, so the assignment of today is mentioned in this document, instructions.mt. So you have here Java 8 has introduced a sexy new stream API, which makes it possible to solve some data related problems in just a few lines of code. You have a student class. See the class declaration below. So let's continue reading the assignment. You have an array of students and you want to get some aggregate data. So the task is get the names of the students by department. Okay, implement the method using Java 8 stream API. Have fun. Okay, so I have created a class named student, as mentioned in this file, with all the fields they provide in the instruction document file. Also, I have already added a test cases for this assignment, because we use the principle of TDD, test driven development. Okay, I have created many students for testing, added them to this array, which is declared here, and added two scenarios for testing. Okay, because the result we want to get is a map with a key as a string and value as a list of string. Okay, let's take an example. For example, we want to get all the students in philology. If you come here in philology, we have Galina, we have Jack, and Mike. For CS, we have John and Anton. Okay, so we have we should create a class named aggregation and implement a static function named getStudentNames by department, and pass to this function a stream of student and get a map. Okay, great. Okay, so I have created a class named aggregation and made and added this function named getStudentsNames by department. Okay, great. So now let's move to the implementation. As mentioned in the instructions, we have to use Java stream. Okay, so it's we will receive as input a stream of students. For this purpose, because we want to convert the stream to a map, so there is a function named collect in the stream, which help us to do this work. Students, okay, students dot collect, and if you go, okay, we will use grouping because we want to grouping by, we want to group by department. Student get department, because we want to have for the key a department name, for the value a list of the students' name for this department. So for this purpose we will use mapping for each student, get a name. Okay, and we want to return the result as a list. And return. So that's it. Let's make this line more clean. So we have here, so we grouped by student department, so we want department name. For each department name we want to have a list, of students' names. Okay, so let's test this function by going back to aggregation tests. Let's run. Okay, great. So all the test scenarios are passed. Great, that's great. So that's all for this assignment. So for this assignment, as you see, we have learned how to use how to convert a stream to a collection by using collect, and how to group elements by a specific filter. We are using here grouping by, which is a static method of collectors. I've already imported here a collectors. So that's it. If you have any question about this assignment or its implementation, okay, great. So if you like this video, thanks for subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.